Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your hub for tech, AI, and smart income ideas. Today, I'm showing you 5 amazing AI tools that can actually help you make up to $100 a day, even if you don't have any special skills. So stay till the end, because the 5th tool is the most powerful one that most people don't even know about. Starting with the most popular one, ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, ad copies, and social media captions. Freelancers are making hundreds of dollars offering writing gigs using ChatGPT on Fiverr and Upwork. Just type your topic, get polished content in seconds, and sell it to clients. Simple as that. Next up, Canva Magic Studio. It's like having a professional designer inside your laptop. You can create logos, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and ad banners instantly using AI. People are earning $10, $50 per design online. You can even sell them on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. At number 3, Pictory or HeyGen. These tools let you create AI-generated videos using just text. You don't even need a camera or microphone. Type your script, choose an avatar or voice, and boom, a full video ready to upload on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels. At number 4, we have Murph.ai and ElevenLabs, which create realistic AI voiceovers. You can generate voice narrations for ads, podcasts, or explainer videos. Freelancers are making $50, $100 per project just by providing professional-sounding AI voiceovers. And the last one, Durable and Copy.ai. Durable can build an entire website in under 30 seconds, while Copy.ai writes the perfect marketing copy. Use these to help local businesses or clients go online, charge $100 per website, and you're easily hitting your daily goal. So there you go. 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money every single day. The best part? You don't need coding or design experience, just creativity and consistency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which AI tool you'll try first. And if you want a detailed tutorial on any one of these tools, let me know in the comments. I'll make that my next video.